Welcome to my channel, guys. I know you are a new viewer because I don't have any subscribers, so please consider subscribing to my channel as I show you many tips that you need about sewing. In this case, we are going to patch jeans. So this one is small hole and we are trying to get it to look as unnoticeable as possible. So I'm getting it cleaned up to look as clean as possible. You have to cut all of those little threads, but remember there are cases that you don't have to do all of this, right? So if you have a jeans that you want it to look ripped, you don't have to close it, you don't have to clean it up at all. But I do want to clean it up because I want to close the hole. To do this, you need a piece of matching fabric and hemming tape. This one I got it on Temu for $2.69. So go ahead, guys, cut it as much as you need. I am going to cut a hole into it just so I make sure that the glue is not gonna leak to the other side, to the front of the pants. Last thing you want to do is to put glue on somebody's pants. I will only iron one side of the fabric on this one just because I will have the ability to match the other side the way I want it. So, and don't worry guys, if you ever came across on not having it right, it's a glue. You can just steam it a little bit and open it up and close it as many times as you want, so there's no problem there. The biggest trick in patching a jeans is matching colors, guys. So if you have a matching color fabric, matching color thread, you are always getting a good result. In this case, for a lighter color, I'm using this nylon thread that I have, and then at the bottom I'm gonna use a matching color thread in case if it comes up, if it pulls the threads up, I want it to be as invisible as possible. But for darker colors, you can always go with the colors that you have and try to get as close as possible. Remember to turn the stitching to small, and always follow the lines. You see those little lines? You see them? If you just do that, if you just follow those lines and find a matching color thread, you're always getting a great result out of patching. I was going up and down in YouTube all day long yesterday, right? Just to find out how can I catch your attention. Yes, your attention. And I found out the biggest secret of all, and it is no one but Mr. Beast. So here's what Mr. Beast does. For everybody subscribed to his channel, he gives a cookie away, but I don't think cookie is a healthy choice. So I'm gonna give you chocolate. Yes, a bar of chocolate if you subscribe to my channel. How about that? So I want you to get up on your phone, call everybody you know, text everybody you know, and let them know there's a guy who teaches you how to sew and also gives you a chocolate every time you subscribe to his channel. As simple as that. So let's go, guys. Give me a subscription. See you next time.